beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to Vlogtober, where I'm uploading a brand new video every 2 days. Don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and enter my huge Vlogtober giveaway linked down below and also at the end of this video on the end screen as well. Today I am ridiculously pumped to share this gift set. With you. I searched high and low to get this gift set, and in the end I had to pull in the troop of my best friend to get me it from Hartlepool. So I literally searched all the B&Ms near me. I even went like quite far afield to look at other B&Ms, and I just could not find this one Revolution and B&M gift set, and I am so happy to have it in my collection. It is like literally falling out of the box. This is what it looks like. This is their ultimate create with me box. It's based, oh my god, it's all just fell at the bottom of it. We'll start that one in a minute. It retails for £30. By the way, for anybody wondering what I've got on my lips, and probably because I will wonder it when I go back to edit it, it is the MAC lip liner in Cork, the Myth lipstick from MAC, and then I put on some of the Gobby, #Gobby lip gloss from Doll Beauty, just in case you're wondering. So inside this one box, this is all the stuff that you get for 30 quid. Unbelievable. I also have an unboxing of the £15 one. I'll leave it linked down below if you want to go check it out, but let's just get straight into what's in this one. So the first one is the Revolution and Soph highlighter palette. I am so pumped that this is in here, because for people who haven't tried it, you are going to absolutely love this. I'm actually going to put this into my giveaway box. There is going to be a full video coming up on my channel of me going through what is in my giveaway box ready for future giveaways, so make sure you stay tuned. Like I said, I'm uploading a brand new video every 2 days in October. So obviously that is the famous Soph highlighter palette. Next one is another one that's going to be going into my giveaway pile for you guys. I actually already own this one. I'll show you mine just so that this one can stay sealed. So this is obviously what the packaging looks like. This is my own, hence why it's a little bit messy. I haven't actually tried it myself. This is the 9 highly pigmented eyeshadows, contour, blush and highlight palette. I think you could literally probably do like a full face, like bronzer, highlighter and everything with all of these palettes. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely stunning. I love the fact that it's got the highlighter, the blush, and the bronzer in there as well. And I love that pop of blue too. So I'm probably going to do a tutorial on this if that was something that you're interested in. Is there any kind of like certain palettes in here that you want me to do a video on? Please let me know, because I'll put that to my to film list and put it right at the top. But I'm definitely going to be putting the other one, this one, into my giveaway pile for you guys. I'm so excited about that. The next one is a huge one. This is the Revolution, the Emily edit. And this is the Wants. I'm sure she had 2 of these. I feel like one was like the Needs, and this is the Wants. I could be wrong though, but this is the one, I think this is the one that's worth £15. And this is 24 ultra professional eyeshadows. Comes with obviously nice and bubble wrapped inside. I always keep these to reuse for when I'm like sending makeup in the post and stuff. But this is what it looks like. I've never ever tried this. I'm pretty sure was this the one that all the stuff kicked off with Tarty with? I'm not too sure. But it has a hello double chin. It has a huge mirror. A little sneaky preview of my filming setup, my lights, that's my computer. But this is what it looks like, and it's actually a huge palette, and the pans are quite big as well compared to like normal palettes. It's quite heavy, it seems like it's good quality, and I love, oh my god, I absolutely love the mirror in this. You could use this to, it's really light, like it's not heavy, but it's light for you to be able to hold up to use the mirror. But you could use this mirror to get yourself ready, especially if you like propped it up onto something. You could do your full face and probably your hair actually using the mirror in this palette. Super excited! Next up we have the Imagination. It's Imogen's palette with Evolution. I know she did this, and she also did like a contoury highlighter palette, and I never ever picked them up. I don't know why, I just never really got around to it. And this is the eyeshadow one that's in this one. So let's open it up. This one is kind of with the idea that the middle shades, which are the bigger shades, are the more kind of used shades, so the more kind of transitional shades, the shades that you would reach for and use more than the others. Packaging is stunning on Imogen's one. You all know I love purple anyway, but the packaging is cute. So yeah, that's what the middle shades are bigger for, because obviously you're going to use them ones more often in comparison to the others. But I do really like the colours that are in this one. I feel like this would be like a good kind of go-to palette. You could do a very nice kind of warm eye with it as well. You should know by now, I absolutely love like warm eyeshadow. I'm not really a cool eyeshadow kind of gal. I don't know why, I just never really have been. Next up, we have a collaboration with Jack. I feel like, I'm sure this is like Jack Jamie, who does he has like the face mask collaboration with Revolution as well. He's not a YouTuber that I watch personally. I just never really came across his channel to like kind of see what his vibe is. But I'm excited to see what his palette looks like. So this one is just completely like matte black, apart from his name on the front, which is shining. And then when you open it inside, it has the names of the eyeshadows on the like the little plastic card. I don't really like that because I feel like it's just, I'm going to lose this, I'm going to bin this, let's be serious. And I'm never ever going to know what the shades mean as well. I always like to know like what the shades mean to that person, like the YouTuber. So I feel like that's such a shame that it isn't on the actual packaging, but hey hoes. But this is what it looks like. His is a bit of a different layout than the others. Why do I have a feeling that maybe it's meant to be like 4 little corners and you can do a full look with that corner? I could be making that up because, like I said, I've never watched him, so I've never seen his like reveal video of it or anything like that. But them shimmers look absolutely beautiful. I like the combination of mattes that he has in here as well. You could do a purple eye, you could do a very natural eye, you can do full on shimmer, do like a peachy eye, a blue eye. There's quite a lot that you could do with this palette as well. As you can tell by my face, I'm very excited. It seems like there's one pressed pigment in this palette as well. The next one is this one, just like this. This packaging is beautiful. But this is the Makeup Pigment and Highlighter palette. So this one, again, is quite a different layout to the others. And when you open it up, it has the bright pink packaging, which I really like. Really like that. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So it has the 2 kind of columns on the side of the highlighters on either side of it as well. I feel like there isn't as much that you could do with this palette as the other ones, but this would probably be one that anybody would typically reach for, because it's just a very easy, natural go-to palette that is for the everyday person, not like people who want crazy. And like for something as simple as like what I've got on today for my eyeshadow, it'd work really well. And then last but certainly not least is one of Rachel Leary's palettes. I really wanted both of her palettes when they first came out, and because I'm like always torn between, you're saving for a house, you want a mortgage, you want to get your own place with Blake, you want to be like saving money, but then you also want to buy new makeup releases. Like I'm always like swaying between the 2 of them. So when these came out, I was like, oh, I'm not going to get them, I'm not going to get them. Same really with the Imagination one. I was like, I'm not going to get it. But I'm so glad that now I've got it, but also at such a cheaper price as well. So this is the Goddess and the Go Face and Shadow palette. If there was going to be any out of the 2, I think she only brought 2 out. Out of the 2 palettes that she brought out, I would have gone for this one because the other one is huge and I wouldn't naturally reach for it. I love the packaging. It reminds me so much of like summer. And then this is what it looks like. I remember Amber absolutely raving about this palette as well. Let me just see if I can get this to focus because it's just not enjoying me today, is it? But that is literally everything that you get for £30. Like, how amazing is that? And you can only get it in B&M for some reason. It must just be like a B&M and Revolution exclusive. But I would really recommend hunting this down because it is honestly worth it so much. Like, even considering I already had 2 of the palettes, it's still worth it regardless of them 2 palettes, because That Emily one was like £15 by itself if you're going to buy that brand new from Revolution. So it's totally worth it, totally worth it. I'd really recommend checking it out. Don't forget to enter my huge giveaway for Vlogtober, and hopefully I'll see you in 2 days time for a brand new video. If I do have any bonus videos, I will upload them in between as well. So just keep checking back, turn that notification bell on so you're notified every time that I upload, and I'll hopefully see you in 2 days time. Love you so much. Bye guys.